In this problem, we are asked to find the antiderivative of the function 8x times sine of 10x.
Let us integrate the function 8x times sine of 10x. It comes that, the function we have to integrate is a product of a trigonometric function and a polynomial function. The method appropriate in this case is the integration by parts. Let us recall the integration by parts method. The integral of u dv is equal to u times v, minus the integral of v du. In sum, we set u equal to 8x, and du equals 8 dx. And, dv equals to sine of 10x dx, and v equals to the fraction, minus 1 over 10 times cosine of 10x. Therefore, the integral of 8x times sine of 10x dx is equal to uv minus, the integral of v du. When we replace u, v, and du, by their corresponding values we see that, the integral of 8x times sine of 10x dx is equal to the fraction, minus 8x over 10 times cosine of 10x minus, the integral of the fraction, minus 8 over 10 times cosine of 10x dx. The integral is equal to the fraction, minus 8x over 10 times cosine of 10x, minus the fraction, minus 8 over 100 times sine of 10x, plus a constant c. Eventually, the integral of 8x times sine of 10x dx is equal to the fraction, minus 8x over 10 times cosine of 10x, plus the fraction 8 over 100 times sine of 10x, plus a constant c.
Thank you for viewing this video. Please subscribe to our channel. We have an extensive collection of calculus-related videos covering limits, derivatives, integration, and many other calculus topics.